pwede like pa po yun siya. Medyo iba na po siya sa iba, pero pwede like din po yun siya. Medyo kulang sa melanin. Ito po yung ating Philippine crocodile, Juvenile Sabado. There's a chance we will release them back to their natural habitat. If not, they will stay for good for conservation. Look at the skin
Uy,
of the neck.
asan na siya?
Pattern po is stripes and aligned compared to saltwater, polka dots, checkered spots. They don't have names there. I can name it all. They just look alike. Ito po parang pangalan. And as I said, we can sell saltwater crocodile sa ibang farms and they are permitted to butcher.
Dami na para sila mga tubo.
So, papalakin na po nila yan. Pwede na tayo po skin na po. So, those who are inside, we cannot sell them now because they are not oversized. We just have standard size po that we sell to other farms po. Nasa 5 to 8 years old na po yan sila. And they are not yet critically endangered of the Philippine crocodile, but the status of saltwater crocodile right now is threatened species. It means the number of saltwater crocodiles in the wild can rapidly decline due to illegal poaching or illegal killing. That's why, as I said, only farm saltwater crocodile are allowed to commercialize it, not from the wild. And everyone, our last pen to your right side. This one is RP, 12 feet from 20 years old, saltwater crocodile from Tawi-Tawi. They can still grow like lalong in Rio, but Philippine crocodile will not get this big. How big? Only this big. Look at the size of the Philippine one. Her name is Pinay. She's a female adult Philippine crocodile or freshwater crocodile, 15 years old, sexually matured, ready for the breeding season. So right now, don't tell anyone. She's never been kissed, never been touched.